Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be learning how to perform file operation using switch keys. Few of the file operations which we are going to do is creating a copy of a file, renaming a file, deleting a file. These are the three operations which we are going to perform in this video. To create a file, the command line argument which is used is cp, the file name which you want to copy, and the new file name which you want to create. This is the format that we are going to use in shell script. And to rename a file, the syntax or the command line used is mv followed by the file name which you want to rename, followed by the new name which you want to give it to the file. The last one which we are going to do is deleting the file. To perform this, the command used is rm followed by -i followed by the file name which you are willing to delete or remove. So we shall start with the program. Initially we shall create a menu that would help user to perform file operation. First option we would be copy a file. Second is remove a file. And third is rename a file. And the final is if the user wishes to come out of the menu, then exit. Now ask the user to enter the option which he wishes to perform and store that pattern in a variable called choice. Switch case checks for the pattern entered by the user and performs the task accordingly. First one is to create a copy of a file. For this, we shall ask the user to enter the file name he wishes to create a copy and store that file name in a variable f1. And ask the user in which name he wishes to create a copy. And store the name in variable f2. Before creating a copy of file, first we should check whether file exists or not. So, first we shall check it by using if condition. If file exists, then create a copy of file. Else display the error message file does not exist. Every block in switch case should end with double semicolons. We should do that. And now we shall create an exit condition. To that we shall create a pattern to be 4. As per user choice, the command to exit from switch case is break or exit. And every if condition should end with fi. Before continuing with other options, we shall compile and execute the program. Now in current directory create a file I am creating a file as demo.txt. We shall enter some of the text in that. After entering the text, save the file and come back to the terminal. We shall check for the first option, that is to create a copy of a file. Enter the file name to create a copy of it, demo.txt. Enter the file name you wish to assign for the copied file. I will name it as demo1. Now let us check whether the file is created in the directory. Yes, it has been created. Now we shall work on second option. We shall consider it to be as rename a file. To do this, we shall ask the user to enter the file name to be renamed. Store the file in variable f1. Second, we shall ask him to enter the new name he wishes to assign. Store it in variable f2. Check for the file exists or not. If exists, then rename f1 to f2. Else throw error message as file does not exist. Now we shall compile and execute the program. Let us check with choice 2. Enter the name to be renamed as demo1 and to be renamed to be as example. Let us check whether it has been updated in current directory. Yes, it's been updated. Now we shall work on the third option, that is remove or delete file. Enter the file name to be deleted. Store it in f1. Check whether it exists. If exists, then remove f1 from directory. Now we shall compile and execute the program. Let us check with the choice 3. Enter the name to be removed as example. Let us check whether it has been deleted in the current directory. Yes, it has been. Till now, for every options we used to compile and execute the program. To continue with all the options, we shall add while do loop so that till the user wishes to exit, he can perform all the operations.